Good morning everyone. I am explaining about sets. Sets is a collection of defined objects or elements are as usual denoted by curly bracket. Examples: the day in a week, the number of in a Ramanujan numbers. Set B is equals to 1729. Types of sets: empty set. A set then contain only another set. Examples: whole number less than 0. Subset. A set then contain only another than. Examples: 2, 3, 5, 7. Which set is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Singleton set. Mm. The every prime number also 2. Finity set. Examples: A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 999. Infinity set. A set then contain more numbers. Examples: 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, so on. Thank you.